Hi! To install Windows Subsystem for Linux, you need to open the Start menu and search for Windows Terminal. It's important to open Windows Terminal with admin rights, so you need to right-click it and press Run as Administrator. A terminal window will open and you need to write WSL ---- install. Press Enter and wait for a bit. The command will ask you to restart your system once it finishes. After restarting your system, a window named Ubuntu will open, asking you to wait for a bit. Once it finishes, it will ask you for a username. That will be your Linux username. Right after that, you'll need to create a password for it. And that's it, you have successfully installed Linux on your Windows system. Now, let's see the best way to use it. Just like at the beginning, let's launch the Windows Terminal app, but you don't need admin privilege this time. On the right side of the New Tab button, you can choose the type of tab you want to open. Click that and you'll see an option called Ubuntu. That's the one. As you can see, clicking it opens a new Linux session, which starts located in your Windows user folder. This way to install Linux on Windows completely integrates both systems, making it possible to work with Windows files from a Linux session. You can find more stuff about Windows Subsystem for Linux on my blog and the official documentation. Both are linked in the description. Thanks for watching and please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more content about web development. Have a nice day. Bye!